some of the key drivers that the reason we chose iFoundry. We felt that the product, and we still feel today after a few years of use, that it's very flexible. It provides a good platform that will ultimately support the rating needs that we had of the day as well as into the future. And we've experienced a few of those things, this ability to adapt to emerging needs. We're in progress of changing some of the underlying structure of algorithms as they're in the rating engine, so it's been very accommodating. iFoundry has been very accommodating in that regard. Another key factor that we looked at, we wanted to make sure that the product, the workbench, they were easy to use. We didn't want to go through a long course of a lot of training and transitioning people into, okay, I'm accustomed to working with the tool set we have today, but how do I bridge that gap to get into this new environment? And we were quite pleased there. The transition was rather pain-free, if you will. Another key point there is the ease of integration. I think it was Karlyn that pointed out, the need to, sure, we want to integrate this thing. We have the rating need with respect to our policy admin system. We have agency quoting systems. We have a variety of different needs, and so we wanted to ensure that there's that ease of integration, and we found that in iFoundry. Another key was the people that we're working with. Kind of speaking a little bit to this ease of, we wanted the workbench to be easy to use. We want to make sure it's easy to integrate with. When we engaged at the initial stages of the engagement, we wanted to make sure that everybody we were working with they were open to change. If we were going to suggest something, that they would at least consider the suggestion. Will that work for the base product, as opposed to just something one-off for Farmers Alliance? And the folks at ValueMomentum have been very good in that regard.